Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an ancient city in Minecraft Bedrock. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So first, you want to quit your game and find your world and come over to the edit button here on the right. From here, you want to scroll down to seed and you basically want to write this down and copy it on your clipboard so that you can paste it in a second. From there, you want to come on this website called chunkbase.com and you want to click on apps and scroll down to seed map. From here, you want to paste it in the seed that you just wrote down, and you also want to select what version you're using. In my case, it's Bedrock 1.2. And then you want to also choose the dimension. Since we're looking for an ancient city, we're going to be looking at the overworld. You just want to drop this down here and select all. After you've done this, they all go grayed out and you want to look for an ancient city, which is here in the top right for PC. So select that and then scroll down to this X, Z and select 0, 0 and go. Now this will show you the rough spawn point of your world. So if you've got a house and you know the coordinates, simply put it there and it will show you the closest one to your house. In this example is this one which is quite far away. If you weren't using this website, this could have taken you hours to find, so this will save you so much time. Now what you want to do is keep this tab open and then open your Minecraft world again. Now I'm back in my world. I'm in creative, so I'm just going to use the TP command. But if you're doing this normally, you can simply turn on your coordinates and just walk there or fly there. If you have a light trail, she took me into this room which I didn't even realize was a thing, but kind of cool I guess. Some sort of Easter egg, you just want to break above it. And here we are at Sea Engine City, ready for you to be looted. So yeah, this is the easiest and fastest way to find ancient cities in Minecraft Bedrock. Some people might say this is cheating, but personally, I've more fun playing the game trying to fight for the warden, for example. I don't want to spend hours running around looking for a city, so this is the best option for me, and I'm sure it is for most of you as well. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.